Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is actually really exciting. It's different from what I normally do, but I want to start bringing you guys more product reviews and things that I'm interested in and that I think you guys might be interested in, and jewelry is definitely one of them. So today's video is on a brand called ITALO Jewelry, and I haven't opened the packages that they sent me yet, but I'm super excited to see what's inside. So if you are too, definitely keep on watching. You guys, before we jump right into the video, I need you guys to do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, just check to make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube is out here playing games and unsubscribing people at will. So hit that thumbs up and hit that notification bell, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, you guys, so today we do have 2 boxes from ITALO Jewelry, and I am excited. So let's go ahead and open up the first package. The box is so nice and sturdy. I'm like, wow, I'm really impressed by the packaging already. So when you open up the box, you do have a little sheer mesh bag that says ITALO Jewelry. You also have an ITALO Jewelry silver polishing cloth, so that's really nice. We'll open that up as well. And then you have your ITALO Jewelry information. It tells you about jewelry care, and what do these tell you about the sanitation of the items. And then this one tells you about their return policy, that you also have a 1-year warranty, which is great, and your sterling silver certificate that is authenticated. So that's awesome. They give you a lot of good information here, so you definitely will want to keep that either in the box or keep it somewhere safe, because you definitely will come back to that. This is what the box looks like on the inside. This looks really pretty. So you take the box out. It has like a wax satiny finish. It feels really nice. So this is what the box looks like. It says ITALO Jewelry on it. Very nice quality. It feels very like waxy satiny. I like how this feels. It feels very quality. And then you open it up and your jewelry is inside. Oh wow, this looks really pretty. Really pretty. So it is covered by a plastic protector. Wow, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Love this. So pretty. I don't know if this is gonna, I'm not sure if it's going to focus on it. Very pretty. And let's see what the clasp looks like. So it looks like there are hooks on the side here. So you're going to put this inside, and then you're going to close it with these little hooks. You're going to push these little hooks into it. And that's how it closes. Very nice. Very beautiful. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. And let's see what the next one is. So again, in each box you get your same items. Let's open this one up. And this one is a tennis bracelet. And this is the tennis bracelet. Very beautiful. Wow. And the clasp looks like it's the same. Oh no, it's a different clasp. Okay, so this clasp is a little different. You just pop it back and then take it out. So very simple. So I have jewelry on. Actually, this shirt, I don't think this is the right shirt to wear, so I'm gonna change this shirt and I'm going to take the jewelry that I have on off, and then I'll be right back to show you guys what these pieces look like on. So this is what the piece looks like on. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this piece. So pretty. So I did notice that the necklace wasn't staying up, and I forgot to mention it in the video, but the necklace wasn't staying up where the stones are. It was kind of hanging down. So I think I either should have gotten a smaller size, or maybe the necklace is just not staying where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna chat with the brand about it and see if maybe I was wearing it wrong. But yeah, that's something that I did notice. And this is the bracelet. Very pretty. Fits perfectly. They gave me instructions on how to pick the right size, and the sizing came out perfectly. So definitely go to the site and follow the sizing instructions, and your bracelet will fit you perfectly, because this one definitely does. These two pieces together are absolutely beautiful. Let me show you guys again how pretty that is. Beautiful. Love it. Definitely loving these two. Look how cute these are. Beautiful. This is perfect for like date night, heading to a show, a little soiree party. I love this. So cute. So I will leave links down below to where you can check out ITALO. You can check out these two pieces that I got. They have several other items, you guys. They have things like rings, earrings, different necklaces, and different bracelets. They have a huge variety, so definitely check them out, and I'll leave links down below to these two pieces that I received. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and you're hitting that like button and turning on that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from me. Leave me a comment down in the comments so we can get a conversation going. I love talking to you guys, and I love responding to you all's comments and seeing what suggestions you have for the channel and for me to do next. I would love to hear what you guys are thinking. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.